I had a comment on one of my videos asking about the lever of the pocket watch and why the railroads required a lever to set the time on the pocket watch. Well, the reason was they had problems with pendant set pocket watches where they would accidentally pull the pendant out and change the time on the pocket watch, and that caused all kind of trouble with the pocket watch and the keeping a time of the railroad. So they came up with this idea of using a lever on the pocket watch for safety reasons, and to only be able to set your time, you would take the bezel off your pocket watch and pull out this little lever right here, and that way you could set the time and not accidentally change the time. Once you push the lever back in and put the bezel back on your watch, you couldn't change the time. The only thing you could do with your watch then when you turn the crown would be to wind the watch. See, as you see here, I'm just winding the watch now. I'm not changing the time. So that was a safety feature that was incorporated in the watch by the railroads to actually save lives. So if you like these kind of videos that I do, just subscribe to my channel, and I got playlists that are list different things that I do with watches, repair them, clean them, and just talk about them and show some of my watches in my collection. So I hope this helps you out.